Hi, Mela.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today, Mela? Are you tired?
And now,
No, you're not, because your mom told me that you played badminton. Did you?
yeah.
Okay. So that's good, Mila. A way of exercising and as well as enhancing your skill in playing badminton. Okay, do you have any plans today, Mila? Do you have any plans today?
Um, yeah.
What will you do maybe in the afternoon?
Um, study, study math and play Roblox.
Oh, okay. Still, that is fun, Mila. You have to balance learning and playing. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, now we'll have exercise three. Okay, so again, can you tell me what it means when we say uncomfortable, Mila? Uncomfortable.
Uh, uncomfortable. Uh, is not comfortable.
Okay, yes, not comfortable. You are not relaxed or at ease. Now, what about noisy?
Is not quite.
Yes, that is correct. What about ugly?
I don't know.
Okay, ugly, Mila, it means it is not pretty, okay? Not pleasant.
Xấu xí,
Okay?
Uh,
Yes. Now,
okay.
what about interesting?
Is not. Is not bad.
Okay, yes, it's not bad because when we say interesting, it is catching or keeping your attention. What about when we say, I am crazy about it?
Um,
I am crazy about it. Can you remember it, Mila?
mm, um, I can say English.
Okay, but when we say I am crazy about it, you know it in Vietnamese, so it means you really love something very much. Okay, you are really into it. I'm crazy about it. Now, what about if I say I can't stand it? I can't stand it.
Uh, um, is not understand.
Not understand. Okay. Now, when we say I can't stand it, Mila, it means you strongly dislike it. You don't like it. Okay, wait. Let me translate this for you. I can't stand
tôi
it.
không thể chịu đựng được nữa.
Okay. You strongly dislike something. You don't like it at all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, next one, very young. Very young.
Very yeah.
Yes.
Uh,
It means
is not Elder is not old. Old.
Okay, yes, it's not old. What about elderly?
I don't know.
Okay, so when we say elderly, Mela, that is old. So it is the opposite of young. Okay, elderly, it means it is a person or something is old. Someone
người
is
già,
okay, so it's the opposite of very young. Now let us practice, Mela. In here, you have to tell me the answer that has the opposite meaning to each word, phrase, or sentence. Now, when we say uncomfortable, Mela, what is the opposite word?
Comfortable
Yes. What is the opposite word? Okay, yes, it's
Mm,
comfortable. What about noisy,
comfortable
Mela? Yes, that's correct, Mela. What about noisy?
is quiet.
Very good. What about ugly?
Is mm, is beautiful.
Very good. I am crazy about it.
Uh, I love it.
Oh, is it I love it? Opposite, Mela, opposite. This is what it means when we say I am
Mm,
crazy about it.
tôi
I
nghiện mẩn nó,
Okay, you love it very much. So, what is the opposite? Opposite, Mela.
I hate it.
Okay, yes, I hate it. No, I can't stand it.
Uh, I love
Okay, yes, I love it. What about elderly?
um is very young.
Okay, very young, Mela. What about very
Is
young?
elderly.
Yes, and interesting.
Boring.
Okay, yes, very good, Mela. That is correct. Now let us have this one. In here, you have to tell me the correct answer to each question. Okay, so who is your favorite relative? Who is your favorite
Um,
relative?
my favorite relative is my cousin.
Okay, yes, very good. It is. Hey, now what do you like doing together?
We like hanging out together.
Very good. That's right, Mela. It's B. What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is Restar.
Okay, very good. And what is the food like?
It is delicious.
Who is your favorite musician?
Um, my favorite musician is Paul McCartney.
Okay, yes, my favorite musician is Paul McCartney. Okay, this is Mac, Mela, MC. That is short for Mac. Okay, so we read it as McCartney. Okay, my favorite musician is Paul McCartney. What about six? Why do you like him? Why do you like him?
He is talented and hardworking.
What is your favorite animal?
I really like zebra
Why do you like them?
because they are cute.
Okay, very good. Mela, now let us have ordering, shall we? Okay, can you tell me the answer for one?
How old is he?
Okay, yes, very good. What about for two?
She is about 30.
Okay, yeah, she's about 30. What about for three?
We like playing sport together.
Okay, yes. What about four?
It is cheap and friendly.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Mela. Five.
My favorite animal is my favorite animal live in forest.
Okay, yes. My favorite animal lives in forest. What about six?
Um, what do you like outdoor celebrate?
What? Can you say your answer again, Mela?
What do you like
What other?
outdoor celebrate?
What other?
What other do you like celebrate?
Okay. What other celebrities do you like? Okay, that is the answer here. What other celebrities do you like? What about seven?
What is your favorite dish?
Okay, and the last one.
She is hardworking and kind.
Okay, yeah, very good, Mela.
Uh,
Thank you. Now, let us proceed to your turn directly. Mela, can you tell me who is your favorite relative? Who is your favorite
can
relative?
you translate the
Oh,
can you
yes.
translate the relative?
I'll translate it all for you,
Bạn
Mela.
thích người thân nào nhất?
Nothing.
No, you have to choose one, Mela. Why nothing? Why nothing?
No.
No. Why no, Mela? You don't like them all?
Mm, no.
No. Okay, why? What did they do? What did they do to you?
Họ đã làm gì bạn vậy? Tại sao bạn không thích tất cả bọn họ?
Can I chat Vietnamese and you translate it?
Yes, Mela, you can do that. But last that you showed me videos and you all are having fun. You are you're all so happy. Okay. A moment, Mila. Oh, this is a little long, I see. Oh, okay. I get it, Mela. I see. That is why. I am so sorry to hear that, Mela. Okay. So, but yes, we don't really have choice, Mela. You have to follow your parents. Okay, but I understand how you are feeling right now, Mela. It may seem too much, like you have to do a lot of things instead of enjoying your childhood. That's why my advice for you, Mela, is that though you're learning a lot of things, don't forget to do the things that you like, the things that make you happy, Mela. Like for example, maybe relaxing, eating, playing. I know you like those. So just still make time to do those things, Mela, so you can recharge. Okay, I see. Okay, that is why. Thank you for sharing that, Mela. Okay, so now, um, what do you and your family like doing, Mela? What do you and your family like doing together? Okay. Oh, okay. I see. Your parents has their reasons, Nila. For sure they have their reason. Maybe you did not follow them before. That is why they are strict as they are right now. Okay, so that would be a consequence to your behavior before, Nila? Probably. But yes, you always have me, Mela. You can always message me on TikTok, even though I don't open it very much, Mela. Okay. Uh,
Hãy cân bằng giữa việc học và làm những điều khiến bạn hạnh phúc.
okay, so that would be my advice to you, Mela. Okay. I'm so sorry that you have to go through all of this, Mela. But I know you would be thankful to your parents one day. Okay, so now it's time already, Mela. So you can relax now. I know later you have another class, so you can sleep or you can eat first. Okay, take good care of yourself, Mela. Thank you so much for attending our class today. See you on Monday,
Yes,
Mila.
you're right, teacher.